All right, guys, welcome back. So in the fewest minutes possible, let me show you how to retouch quickly using your Kumoo, right? We always tell people retouching has been made very, very easy and can actually be very, very easy. We can actually do the retouching in one take, and I'm going to show you how to do that at the end of the video. So quickly, let's get started. The first thing I'll do on the image is to remove the blemishes, which I'll just go over to my blemish, to my retouch category over here and come into my remove blemishes category. Remove the acne, the moles, and that of the body with body blemishes. And the moment it's done, everything is gone. Look at it. Gone. The before, the after, right? So the next thing I want to do is to just quickly restore the focus on the face, right? And get into my retouch. I don't want to remove any other thing. I think I like the way the image is looking already. So I get into my skin and I do my frequency separation, keep it somewhere around here, and also increase my high frequency for textures. But I still feel I need some more retouching on her. So that is where my mitral gray leveling comes in and my skin refinement steps in as well. And of course, I add some contour to it to restore dimensions. And don't forget, we've not done the body. So we'll come down to the frequency separation for body. We turn it on like this. And of course, increase my low and my high frequency so that I will have some textures right there in the skin. Beautiful. So once this is done, I'll just get straight down to color grading. So once I'm in my color grading area, I think I'm going to add some cocoa to her skin. But of course, I'm going to bring it down. Beautiful. I love this skin tone. Amazing. Then I can even make it, more towards a more rosy tone or even a warm tone. But I'm going to keep it somewhere right in the middle where Coco left it. I think I love the result. But I'm going to blend up the whole skin tone to make sure I have, perfect skin tone blending across the image. Then of course my brightness and my white for glamour and some shine right there. The last thing I want to adjust in this image is her teeth color. So I come down to my teeth and whiten it up like this. Beautiful. And I think I need to touch the hair part a little, just a tiny bit of it here to fill up some areas that looks quite scanty, and we are good to go. Let me show you the overall before and after. So if I change this to compare, you can see exactly what we did. This is the before, this is the after. You can see it right there on your screen without having to do so much. The job is done. So how can you do a one-click retouch using this technique? Very simple. Just save it as a new preset. So we can call it Val 2 because I'm recording this on a Valentine Day. So we can call this Val 2 and press it as save. The moment you do that, the moment it's saved, you can now reset everything you did. Go into your preset, open up your mind, go to default and click on Val 2, and it's going to apply every single thing we did back on the image. Look at that with just one click. If you're wondering how you get Kumoo and start working with it, very simple. Go to the description of this video. You are going to see the download link. Click on it and look Kumoo. Install it in your laptop. Make sure you purchase your credit. And as you purchase it, if you use our promo code, which you also see right there in the description, you will be getting 70%, not 70%, sorry, 30% bonus off whatever you purchase. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and when you subscribe, click on the notification bell to get notified every single time we drop a mail. Until then, see you on the next one.